Welcome to the tranquil shores of Maryland, where the sea meets the sky in quiet harmony. Each wave brushing the shore tells a story, a moment of peace and motion. From the wide, sandy stretches of Ocean City to the peaceful bays of the Eastern Shore, Maryland's coastline is a hidden gem of the Atlantic. Viewed from above, it becomes a canvas of soft blues, golden dunes, and timeless charm. Flying over the coastline, we pass sleepy seaside homes, historic lighthouses, and docks that cradle weathered boats. The rhythm of life here moves with the tides, slow, gentle, and full of soul. The Chesapeake Bay sparkles under the sun, a mirror reflecting calm skies. Crab boats drift slowly, while shorebirds circle overhead. This is more than just a coastline, it's Maryland's beating heart. As the drone climbs higher, you see the patterns of the shore, curves carved by centuries of wind and water. Marshlands meet the sea, and the horizon stretches endlessly. This view from above isn't just scenic, it's soulful. Beneath the lens, the world quiets. No cars, no chaos, just the whispers of wind, water, and time. Moments like this remind us how small we are and how beautiful the earth can be when we simply observe. As the sun begins to set, the coast glows gold. Every rooftop and ripple shines in soft amber light. The colors deepen, sky to violet, sea to indigo. It's the perfect close to a perfect day. Thank you for flying with me. If this peaceful journey touched your soul, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More skies, more places, and more peace, right here on Seaside Zone. Until next time, keep looking up.